Hello, my name's Mark and I've been at this motel for 16 months, and we had a previous motel. We used to do half of our laundry, and we saved $40,000 a year just doing half our laundry over our last motel. And this motel we save about $130,000 a year.
Oh, that's brilliant. Now I know what you've got in there. You've got I've put in an Electrolux 18 to 20 kilo washer, along with a residual moisture 30 kilo dryer.
That's correct.
Obviously, you said you've been using these for about 14 months, was that?
That's correct, yeah. I've been here now for 16 months and having no problems. Great machines. I've got 36 rooms here. Well, the machines paid for themselves in the first 5 to 6 months. So we're in front after 4 or 5, 6 months.
Can you just give me a little bit of your thoughts on Richard J themselves?
Well, they're pretty professional. They're really good. They just come in and we went right over it all, and yeah, we just worked out perfect.